time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Interesting one too. 1993 Chevrolet Silverado. Regular cab short box C1500. And as you can see, an official Indy pace truck. Not a lot of these made. 1534, I believe, was a production number on these. This particular one is one of 414 with the bucket seat option. Does have cloth bucket seats in it. Of course, 350 V8 power underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped, of course, being a Silverado with power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold in this one. Of course, you have power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise, intermittent wipers, AM, FM cassette player. We'll check out the interior here in a little bit, but if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this truck, engine bay, again, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, the front grille bumper shows well. Riding on an aftermarket wheel. Of course, the two-tone black and white color combination with the official 77th Indianapolis 500 graphics going down the side. And as you can see, the truck is nice and straight. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, a little over 36,000 miles on this is all. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, we do have a hard tonneau cover covering the box here. There are pictures of the box. Tailgate down on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the driver's side here again. This truck shows very well what you'd expect with only a little over 36,000 miles on it. You can see the paint has a nice reflection to it. And again, you just don't see a lot of these with a little over 1,500 of them being produced. Transmission was also serviced and fluid replaced within the last 1,500 miles. Go ahead and take a look at the interior on this. Now, if you noticed on the other side, I did have the window up. It does have tinted windows on this, just a heads up. Check with your local and state regulations as far as window tint. I want to let you know it is on there. Doesn't appear to be a real dark. There is your power locks, power windows, and take a look at the condition of these seats. And this would be the original fabric. Two-tone gray, but again, not showing much for wear at all. What you'd expect with this kind of miles. And there are your bucket seats, center console, and again, tilt and cruise. Go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Again, AC blows cold. I'm also going to show you this. The radio does work fine. So check that out. Wipers do work. There's your cassette player. And take a look at the dash of this truck. Lots of times you see these started to kind of fade or crack. This one's looking good. With the exception of a couple grates that are missing right there. Slight crack there on the dash. Headliner, also in nice shape. And the truck runs and sounds as it should. Flip around to the back so you can hear this. Of course, the dual exhaust. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pause this a second. Let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, take a look at the hood liner. You can tell this truck has not been driven in inclement weather. Very clean hood liner on that. Also looks original. There it is, 5.7 liter. 350 underneath it. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC does well pull. There's also some pamphlets, as you can see back here, pamphlets, brochure. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the codes as far as the bill codes or RPO codes for this truck. Check those out in the still pictures also. And again, you can see how nice and tight that engine bay is. Looks like a newer alternator. Sounds good. Runs well. 1993 Chevrolet Silverado C1500 regular cab short box. 77th Indianapolis 500 official truck. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. We'll take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when calling or email.